Okay. Okay, so we're reading the VIN. Hopefully it's going to auto-detect everything. It knows it's April 10th. It knows it's... Oh, here we go. Look at that. 2008 Mercedes. Start the vehicle system detection. Let's do it. You know what? We should probably hold the camera a little better here. We're going to start that. Here, let's see if I can do this. Here we go. Much better. Look at that. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so it started. Let's see, we have a fuel pump, then it went transmission control unit, ISM, then it went to the DTR. So it's not really following the same systems as the iCar Soft did. But look how quickly it is. This, 25 at least minutes of fun to get through all the systems. We're scanning, we're scanning, we're scanning. Look how quickly this is going. Xenon headlamp, it found that fault. Overhead control panel, it found that fault. No panoramic sliding roof. Not equipped with a rear control left front reversible emergency tensioning retractor. No fault code. This thing is fast. All right, in 2 minutes, literally in 2 minutes, we have our diagnostic report. iCar Soft, I had to go through each of the 39 little systems. It took me 25 minutes. This did it in 2. Okay, now, touch screen, engine control, abnormal, adaptive brake, abnormal, suspension, abnormal, 4 faults, abnormal TPMS, tire pressure system, abnormal. Okay, it found the same issues as iCar Soft, and it found them so quickly. Okay, engine control module. Okay, these are the 3 trouble codes that it found, okay, in 2 minutes. So we go to the report from the iCar Soft right here. Look at it, they're the same. 0740, 0745, 2091. Same exact problems. Let's go down here, let's find another one. ABR, the adaptive brake. Okay, let's go here and ABR, right there. 6,000. Look at that. 6,000. Same code. Okay, suspension. This is what scares me. 4 problems according to the launch. 4 problems right here according to iCar Soft. Okay, 5260, 5263, 64, and 68. Same exact problems. If I hit share, I can email it. I'm going to email this to myself. Here we go. Yay. Okay. There we go. We're going to do that. And we're going to send it. And I just emailed myself the whole report. Is that not pretty amazing? All right, here's where the good stuff is. When you go to reset, look at that. Brake reset, oil reset, SAS, battery reset, ABS bleeding, electronic throttle, TPMS reset, gear learn, gearbox, immobilizer, injector, sunroof. So that, in a nutshell, is the launch system. Is that not cool? You get a little stand for it too. So you can set it up right there and do the deed. You can do the deed, folks.